You know, most camera systems make you pay for every single little feature. And on top of that, they make you pay to keep it stored, whether it be locally or in the cloud. Well, that's why I canceled my Google Nest subscription, because it was getting so expensive, and every year they kept raising the price and raising the price. So when ANSQUE reached out to me asking if I wanted to review one of their new products, I was like, absolutely, let's check it out, because this right here is going to solve all my problems. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, see what's inside, look at the cameras, look at the storage unit, and then I'm going to get them installed around the house, and we'll see how they work. Let's get to it. This is a 4-camera system, which is really nice because I want to be able to mount it around each corner of the house. They have a nice fat bracket on the back that's going to allow you to keep it secure. And it's going to give me the coverage that I want, because that's got like a 133-degree field of view, which is awesome. Some other cool features, which we'll talk about later, are some privacy features and whatnot, but stick around because we're going to go over those. But let's see what we got inside the box real quick and take a look at what the cameras look like. Of course, you know, they give you typical instructions. It's really basic. They have an app, so you're going to scan the QR code once you get them set up, get the app installed, and you'll be able to add the cameras and configure them. This right here is the actual storage unit. As you see, it's nice and small. It's got an Ethernet port on the back, and it allows you to connect to your network. The cameras connect to this. This stores the actual footage. Now, I believe it has a 32 gig SD card that comes standard in it, which should be more than enough to save several days worth of footage. They give you a USB-C to USB-A little short cable for each camera, because you can actually charge the cameras with the USB. And of course, they give you a Ethernet cable for the hub, which is nice. And these are just the mounting hardware for the plates. So let's take a look at the cameras. So this is the camera itself. And as you can see, it is not really super big. This right here is the actual solar area that's going to charge via the sun. And as you can see, it's got 4 LED lights up here at the top for the infrared. You have your camera. And this is a sensor that detects motion and some other things. You can see that's real nice. So you can actually take the plate off, which makes it easier to mount, and then you just screw the camera back on, which is super convenient. So on the bottom of the camera is this little port area right here. As you see, it's got a nice like rubber flap. So that's going to seal it for weather protection. But inside here, you have the USB-C port for charging. You have the power button, and you also have a reset button. So that's going to be real nice. But I'm going to go ahead and get these unboxed. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to mount them, and then we will get these up installed. I'll get the app opened up and we'll check it out. Be right back.
I mounted them in areas of my house that are lacking coverage. It's small, discreet, you hardly notice it, but it covers a wide 133-degree angle, so I see a lot of real estate in one shot. Here's the cool part. You can set a detection zone. No more alerts for cars on the street, just the areas I actually care about. And for my neighbors, I added privacy zones. It blocks out their windows, so I only record what's mine. When someone walks up, it automatically locks on. That's human detection tracking, enabled by default. No more notifications for stray cats or wind-blown leaves. And here's my favorite part. It has local storage with no subscription fees. That means my footage is saved directly to the included storage hub, and I don't have to pay a monthly bill just to see what's happening outside my own house.
Brother and sister-in-law came by and dropped off a vehicle, and so we'll be able to see the video from them coming in the driveway. So that's cool. So let's go on the multi-view here. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so see, it's live. You can see me right there. What's up? And let's go around here, and we'll get to see this camera. Should be picking me up. Yep, back camera does. So that's a camera that's back there. Nice. Right, and there I am coming up the driveway. So now I come into vision here. So now you get 2 angles, which I haven't had this area right here covered at all, which is going to be great. I love it. Let's go back here. There's that. I like those alerts. We're going to test this out, and I think this is going to be awesome. So look, if you want a really awesome camera system for your home that doesn't require running miles and miles of wire, You simply hook it up where you want to hook it up on the house, connect it to the base, and that's it. You're good to go. No electrical wires, no Ethernet cabling, no connecting to wireless because it connects to the base. I mean, that could not have been a more simple setup. And these cameras look great. That one there. Again, the only one that I'm going to have to think about is that camera right there. But I don't know. We'll see. And then we have this camera up here.
Wide coverage, smart tracking, built-in privacy, and no subscriptions draining your wallet. That's why this camera is now my go-to for home security. Make sure to click the link in the description to check it out. If you want to increase the security around your house without breaking the bank or needing a degree to set it up, you need this system.